Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are enjoying your online classes. So, in previous classes, I have discussed about the nutrition. Okay. So, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, manure, and the fertilizer. All the things I have discussed. If you have doubt, you can put comment on that box. Okay. And today I am going to discuss the question answer of the exercise. So come to the page number, it is the page number 9, exercise, okay. So first question, write down, question number 1. So what is the first question? Why do organisms take food? Okay, why do organisms take food? Okay, yes or no? Tell me why. Why you need food? Okay, why you take food? Because you need food for the energy. Yes or no? So without energy we cannot do any work. Yes or no? So tell me in your home. Okay, at that night your mom and mom or father, they will provide Bornvita, Horlicks. Because why? Because they in that food energy is there. So this energy will provide you to help strength to work. Yes or no? So that's why they are providing Bornvita, Horlicks and different type of fruits. Why? Because they will be providing the energy to work. Okay, tell me, without food you can work, so you can live. You can live one day, 2 day, or next day you will be die. Yes or no? So food is play important role because it provide energy to our body, and it also help in our growth, development, and the maintenance of our body. So write down answer, right? So all living organism need food to survive. Yes or no? So all living organism need food for survive. Yes or no? Without food we cannot not live. Yes or no? So all living organism need food to survive. It provide, it gives them energy. Yes or no? Why you need food? It provide energy to perform various activities such as running, walking, studying. Okay. So and also help in the growth, development, and maintenance of our body. Yes or no? So what will happen? All organisms need food. Okay, all organisms need food to survive. Survive means to live. It gives, why? Because food gives. Okay, food, it means food. Okay, food gives them energy to perform various activities such as running, walking, studying. Okay, so without food you cannot you can study. So no, so one day you can study, but next and day after next you cannot read. Okay, so this is the answer why organism take food. Okay, so come to question number 2. Read. Okay, first read what they ask. So second question, distinguish between parasite and saprophyte. Okay, so distinguish, question number 2. Okay, so distinguish between parasite and saprophyte. Your duty you have to write question, my duty I am write only answer, yes or no. So distinguish between parasite and saprophyte. So distinguish means what is the difference. Okay, what are the difference between parasite and saprophyte. Okay, suppose tell me what are the difference between your suppose what are the difference between Ritik and Rehan. Okay, Ritik daily come fast, yes, and Rehan daily come very late. So this is the difference between Ritik and Rehan. Okay, yes or no. So like this, say what are the difference or distinguish means what are the difference between in question in exam it will ask write the difference between saprophyte and parasite. So write, how can you write? So first put to line and write parasite. Parasite, then saprophyte. Okay, so parasite and saprophyte. Okay, so first write it down. Not two. So it is a 2 marks question. Okay, so if you write 2 point, they will be provide 2 marks. Otherwise, they cannot provide. Yes. So first you write first the definition of parasite. Okay, these are the organism that live in other body. Okay, so these are the organism that live other body. Okay, so example it is Cusquita or it is Cusquita. Nickname is Marvel. So Cusquita. Okay, so Cusquita is a scientific name and Amberwell is a nickname. So think about, you have two names, one is a good name and another is a nickname. So good name is are everywhere they are using, suppose in official they are using, yes or no, and nickname in whom they are they are asking, yes or no. So in that parasite, okay, parasite Cusquita is a plant. So it is the umbrella is general name, okay, and the scientific name, yes. So like a, and another example tell me, already I told you, okay, it is ascariasis. So ascariasis is a bacteria which is staying inside our intestine. They take food, okay, yes or no. So it is about the parasite. Like a saprophyte you write, these are the organism that feed, okay, dead body and decaying material. So you can observe in your drainage or your waste outside, when you are throwing waste things, in that waste things is some bacteria and mushroom, they take their food. So these are called saprophyte. Okay, so it is example, it is a mushroom, yes or no, mushroom. Then it is a bacteria. So this is the question about distinguish. Okay, distinguish means the difference between what, parasite and saprophyte, yes or no. So come to question number 3. Okay, read this question. How you examine or how you test the presence of starch on the leaves. Okay, so starch we know it is a food. Where we get food? We get this food in the leaves, because in the leaves can prepare this food by the process of photosynthesis. Yes or no? So come to question number 3. Okay, so you have to discuss about the question number 3. What are the how would you test the presence of starch in leaves? Okay, so how you test the presence of leaves? Okay, so first what will happen? Take two plants. Okay, okay, so first to take two plant. Okay, so first what will happen? One plant keep in sunlight. Yes, another in dark room. Why you keep one plant keep in sunlight? Because we now in the sunlight photosynthesis will happen. Yes or no? So in sunlight, the sunlight what will happen? This plant will be prepared starch on the leaves. Yes or no? And this plant you are kept in the dark room. Okay, it cannot prepare their food because sunlight is not there. Okay, dark means sunlight are not allowing that room. Okay, so what will happen again? So what will happen? Take two leaves from one leaf from here, another leaves from the dark room. Okay, so what will happen? Take two leaves. Okay, take out two leaves. Okay, so what will happen? Then apply iodine. Iodine you now. So iodine solution, it is available in the lab. So this activity we can perform in the lab. Don't worry. So first take how you perform this activity. Okay, or experiment. First take two leaves or plant. So one kept in the sunlight, another one keep in sunlight, another keep in dark room. Okay, so then after 1 day or 2 day, to one leaf protect from the sunlight, another from the dark room. So then applied iodine both to the leaves. So what will happen? You will be find out. Okay, so when you apply the iodine on that leaves, okay, no blue color. Okay, so then here a blue and a black color come. Yes, so here a blue and black color come means see starch is there in that leaves. Yes or no? We know when the iodine come. Okay, when the iodine come in the presence of starch. Okay, it will become what will happen? It will be become blue and black color. Okay, when iodine solution come in the presence of iodine. Okay, so sorry, starch. What will happen? It is changes blue and black color. But in that dark room there is no starch. Okay, no starch here, because there is no sunlight means there is no photosynthesis. Okay, no photosynthesis means there is no starch, because this plant cannot prepare their food. So when we put iodine solution, what will happen? It is shows no blue color. Yes or no? So means it is proved now. So the presence of starch in leaves. Yes or no? So the presence of starch in that leaves. Okay, come to question number 4. Give a brief discussion on the presence of process of photosynthesis. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? Okay, so this is question 3 marks question. Okay, Question number 4. Answer. So what is photosynthesis? Photo means light. Synthesis means prepare. Okay. So photosynthesis means it is a process of making food. Yes or no? So it is called a photosynthesis. So write what is photosynthesis. The process of making food by plant in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. Is called photosynthesis. Okay. So the process of making food. Okay. So the process of making food like by plant in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water is called photosynthesis. Okay. So how the photosynthesis will be happen? So this is a sun. Yes or no? So plant needs sunlight from the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So this is sun. So what will happen? Suppose take this is a plant. So root water is there, mineral. So what will happen if you take carbon dioxide, okay, CO2 and releases oxygen plus starch. Okay, so this starch before third question number third I discuss about starch. Starch means food. Okay, starch is a carbohydrate. It is a one type of food. So which plant can prepare by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so how the photosynthesis will happen? So what will happen? The in the leaves chlorophyll is there. So what will happen? Plant take, okay, in the presence of sunlight. Okay, sunlight and take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Yes, atmosphere carbon dioxide is there. Take sunlight and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Okay, in the presence of water, mineral. Okay, so it produces oxygen plus starch. Okay, so this oxygen we again take in the process of breathing. In breathing we are taking the first oxygen, then releases carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide again the plant taken in the layer of photosynthesis and releases oxygen. Yes, so in that way the photosynthesis will be happen. Okay, so write down. So brief the process of equation of photosynthesis. How the photosynthesis will happen? Equation. Okay, in that question only answer. Equation. Okay, so equation of photosynthesis means how it is happen. So what will happen? It takes a carbon dioxide plus water. Yes or no? Then in the presence of sunlight plus chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, what is chlorophyll? It is a green pigment present on the leaves. So what will happen? It produces carbon. It is a carbon glucose. Okay, C6. It produces It is a starch glucose. Sorry, it is a glucose plus it is a oxygen. So what will happen? This is a carbon dioxide. This is a water. So how the photosynthesis will happen? So plant first take, okay. So plant first take carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It produces glucose, okay. Glucose it may be, it is called sometimes it is starch, okay. Okay. So and this is oxygen. The symbol O2, okay. So how the photosynthesis happen? Plant take carbon dioxide, atmosphere is there, in the presence of water from the ground and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll it produces starch or glucose and plus oxygen, okay. So this is the process of photosynthesis, how the photosynthesis will be happen in the plant, yes or no. So come to it is over. Question number 4 is over. Then question number 5. So with the help of a sketch that plant and plant are the ultimate source of food. Yes. So it is your duty. You have to make a sketch or color animal. How the plant are the ultimate source of food. Yes or no? So we are all depend on the plant for our food. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? So write. How can you write this? Come to question number 6. So you have to make first. You have to draw a plant here. So I am just writing. You have to draw this plant here. Plant, then to who eat plant? Then deer. Deer to come to it is a tiger. Yes. Then here grass. Okay. So grass. Suppose you think this is grass. Grass. Grass to who eat? Then insect. Insect. Then insect to frog. Yes or no? Frog to snake. Okay, from snake to eagle. Okay, so like this again from leaves. Okay, you think about leaves. From leaves. Leaves who first it is a cockroach. Cockroach, then cockroach to fish. Yes or no? Fish to bird. So this is the okay. So this is the who plant are the ultimate. Here plant is required na, grass also plant is leaves. Okay. So all are the plant. So all are depend upon the on the plant. Yes. So deer also depend upon plant, tiger also depend upon plant, insect, frog, snake. So you have to, it is your duty, you have to draw this plant, deer, tiger like this. Okay. So it is question number 5th is over. Then come to question number 6. It is a fill in the blanks. Okay. Write down. So it is a fill in the blanks. You have to fill the. You come to question number 6 and fill in the blanks. Okay. So first question, question number 6. Okay. So first question, it is A. So green plant are called since they synthesize their own food. So green plant are called autotrophs because they synthesize their own food. So autotrophs. Answer should be autotrophs. Yes. Come to second. The food synthesized by plant store as a water. First, in the photosynthesis, food prepared, then it is stored as a starch. Okay, this way it may be starch. Come to question number C. Okay, here in the photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called solar energy is absorbed by the pigment. In green like pigment is there na? What this chlorophyll. So during photosynthesis, plant take dash and dash dash take and dash releases. So it is a take what carbon dioxide, then releases oxygen. So it is the answer B maybe 2. Okay. So first plant take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen O2. Yes or no? So this is the question. Fill in the blanks is over. So remaining question from 7th onwards. So next period I will discuss. Yes or no? So okay. Thank you. You have to write all the question answer. Next period I will discuss from the question number 7.